Bu Nke Chineke.
Wave those hands unto
Jesus. Amnigiri wotito. Ekwensu ewegi kenebena. Amamo wakejo. Jesus. Yes, lift it up like a large choir this morning. Lift your voice and say, Ndum Bu Nke Chineke. Yes, she's not again. Not again. What's it up? Yes. Ruantelo cosibri sailo. Oh, Jesus. One more time. Lift your hands and tell him, hey, my life is the life of God. Oh, Ndum Bu Nke Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. I am a child of God. Yes, I'm in Brusita Latiabos. Yes, not again. Oh, no, no. You are a wonder to my soul. Jesus, you are a wonder to my soul.
If it's a wonder to your soul,
hey,
can you say to
Jesus, you are a wonder, walking wonder.
Hallelujah.
Jesus, Jesus, you are a wonder. Every power lifts your voice and say, wonder, you are a wonder. You are a wonder. You are a wonder. Yeah, yeah. Yes. I have never seen you fail. I have never seen you disappoint, Lord. And you be good now. And I know, Shabbat. Jesus, Jesus. Oh my God. One more time. One more time. If it's a wonder to you, lift your voice and say to him, you're a wonder. 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 You are the wonder-working God.
Lift up your hands.
Woo!
Lift up your hands.
Jesus, Jesus, Lord. You're a wonder to my soul. You are Jesus, Jesus, Lord.
Lift up your hands, your right hand, and say these words with me. My Father, my Maker,
my Father.